Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark theme in Windows. Okay, it's a very simple step. Okay, first of all you have to method one. I'm going to show you the method one. First of all, click on settings button. Okay, then once you click on setting, then go to personalization here. Personalization. Okay, then you will select colors. Okay, once after selecting colors, it will ask to choose your mode. Here it is already light, so you will click on dark. Okay, see, it's now overall dark mode is on, you can see. Okay, now if we are using some another operating system, okay, and let me show you different method number 2 on how to start the dark theme in your Windows. Okay, just the easiest and most shortcut ways in just type dark. Okay, just click here select. See, before in the light mode the folders look like this, if you see. Okay, now here you can click on dark again, ta-da. And even you can change the colors here if you want, like if you want red, few colors, and